Good bird. Good girl. And that is why I should be carrying... Holy, they're all covered. Jesus. And that's why I shouldn't be carrying a single shot. Come. All the way, Harper. All the way. This way. Not in the water. Not in the water. Oh, you fucker. Come on. That was a big grouse. Punch it up. Harper, bring it here. Oh, you little shit. Big bird. There was some more in there too. Compass. We're walking in east, come back out west. A lot of birds that got up there too. We probably couldn't hear them, but it sounded like four or five even. Another big covey. There's a bird right there. Dead bird back. Harper, come on. Find it. Yep. Find it. Good girl. Come here. Harper, heel. Heel. All the way. Come on. All the way. All the way. All the way. Alright, that's usually what you do. Short stop me 10 feet. That's alright. I don't care. Nice bird. There we go. Would have never found that one without Harper. There might be some more in here too. Harper. Good dog. Come here. Come. Good girl. Hey, this way. Good girl. Good girl, Harper. There's a bird. Watch that one go in the tree. God, they have good camouflage. Good girl, Harper. Find it. Harper, back. Harper, heel, heel, over. Find it. Yep, 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 yep. Good girl, heel. Good girl, all the way. Okay, leave it. Leave it. Leave it. Another grouse. Harper did a great job flushing that bird. Barely into a tree. We dropped it. Another bird. Haven't really had many shots on the wing, but she does a good job at popping them up into little trees, and easy hunting for me. I'll take it. I love eating them. Find it. Come on, all the way. Harper, come. Drop it. Oh, geez, good dog. Well, that was an adventure. Sloppy, wet grouse. Good girl. Come here, Harper. Come on. Come. All the way. All the way. Good dog. Close enough. Another nice grouse. We flushed it on the walk in. We had a little bit left of the little trail, and I thought we'd come back on the way back. Usually they get a little bit more standstill on the way back, you know, after you give them a little bit of time. And exactly what happened, came into these little trees and found them. Beautiful fan on that nice mature bird. I don't know how I missed that one. Bad miss. Missed. Good flush. Good girl. Harper, there's a grouse. Heel. Heel. There's a grouse up there. Oh boy. Right before dark on the walk back. And I really should have 2 more. Been shooting like shit. Look at that fan. Wow. Harper. Tree right in my way. God damn. Right in my way. Oh.